Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Ravi Keki and welcome to another Java Swings tutorial. And in this video, we are going to see what are JList. Okay, in a previous video, we saw what J combo boxes were. And J combo boxes allowed us to select any one of the item from the available list, and it pretty much changed the color of the background. But what if I want to select more than one item in a particular J swings control? Well, is it possible? I don't think so. It is possible with J combo box. So let's try it out. Okay, so now let's select one item. Okay, now what if I want to select green and red at once? So I'm pressing Control, but I'm not able to select more than one item at once. So how do I do that? You can do this by making use of JList. Okay, so by using JList you can select either one item or more than one item. Okay, so let's start to code things. First of all, what you'll have to create is you'll have to create an array of string which has all the items that you wanna place in the JList. Okay, so let's place in the items. So it's let's place four items, I guess. Okay, so it's first item, and same with second item, and it's third item. Let's take another one, that is fourth item. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll populate the string array of strings into a JList. Okay, so let's create a JList. JList list. Okay, and I think we'll have to import this. Just click here and add imports javax.strings.jlist, and we'll create a text area and a button. Whenever we select 3 to 4 items in a JList, and whenever we click that button, all those four items should be copied and pasted to a text area. So take a text area and a text J button. Okay, so it's text area. I hope you know what is text area. It's somewhat bigger than a text field. Okay, and J button. A text area is pretty much like if you want to enter some kind of an address in the form, then you need a bigger area to type in the details. So it won't fit in a text field. Text box. You have to take a text area. J button. Okay. You'll have to import javax.strings.j button. Okay, now let's populate our JList with the the static items that we have taken in string variable. List equals new JList, control space JList, and just enter the the string variable, and let's take the text area, that is text area. Press control space equals new text area. We'll have to specify dimensions over here, like uh, let's take for example 10 by 15. Okay, so okay, we have taken a JLS, a text area, and let's take our button is remaining, equals new J button. Oops, J button, yes. And yes, I want to move those items to the text area. Okay, so we have taken all the items that that will be requiring to complete this particular task, and now let's set the selection set a selection index to 0. Now I hope you know what is set selection index. So uh, as I said, by making use of JList you can select more than one item at once, but for that you'll have to write a statement what type of selection you're doing. You're doing a single selection or multiple selection. So you'll have to set a selection mode to our JList. Okay, list dot set selection mode. Okay, and list selection model, list. Oops, I guess what's the statement in here? It's list selection, list selection model dot. Now look at this three options. It can be either multiple interval selection, single selection, or single interval selection, or single selection. Okay, so depending upon your business requirements, you can choose either one of the selection modes. Since I want to show you multiple selections, I'll use this multiple interval selection. Okay, we'll use those single selection also in the later point of time. Okay, we have set our selection mode to our JList. Now let's try adding all these components that we are using, that is text area, text area, button, and JList to our JFrame. Okay, so add text area, and similarly add list. Okay, and add button. Okay, we'll have to extend this class to JFrame. Okay, let's import all this. Oops, we'll have to extend our class. Extends JFrame. Okay, so let's delete all this. Okay, and import javax.swing.jframe. Okay. Okay, so let's include the last four statements that we include in our programs, that is setting the size and location of our frame, i.e. 200 by 300 normally, set location to 300 by 200, and what's remaining? Okay, so set default close operation, exit on close. Okay, so we have created our JList. Now let's try and run this code. Shift F6. Oops, there's only a single button. I guess we have missed something. There it is. We have missed our layout manager. Okay, set layout to new flow layout. Okay, so there it is. Let's run this code. Shift F6. Oops, Shift F6. Look at this, we have our text area, and we have our JList, and we have our button. Now you can add a scroll pane to this text area and JList as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. We'll write a code for this in our next video of how to select these items, and by clicking on just move, all these items will be moved over in this text area. Okay, so as I said, we can select multiple items. Let's try selecting it. Press Ctrl, and there it is. You can select four items at a time. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, please comment, and yeah, see you in the next tutorial.